You are going to do pickled cucumbers. So for the pickles, we're going to need cucumbers, lots of dill. This weird looking thing is a horseradish, garlic, and water and salt, and of course a sterilized jar. This is a 64-ounce jar. I'm going to link that in the description. So let's get started. Oh, how much of the horseradish? Not too much. You just need a few strings of it. And what to do with the rest? You can also make a delicious bechamel sauce with the horseradish and add it to the meat. It is delicious. Very soon I'm going to show you how to do that on my channel. I'm going to put our cucumbers in here. How much I can fit. In between I am going to put that pretty looking garlic. I cut it in half. Sure that they are tight in there. We're going to put our horseradish. Just slide it in a few places. We need to put dill. Dill and the cucumbers, they go along each other. So just slide it in as much as you can. We need to get ready the water. So I have over here 500 ml of water, and I have a salt, a melted sea salt flakes. Add 2 flat tablespoons like this into that water. Mix it well. Smells amazing. Woo! Alright, now what we're going to do, I have a cheesecloth. I'm just going to put this cheesecloth in here. I like to put the string, and I like to just tie this up with that. So we're going to keep on the countertop for a few days. How long? It depends on how long it's going to take them. Cucumbers that I've used for those pickles are the Persian cucumbers. In Poland we use actually pickled cucumbers, they are called. But over here I have no access to those, and a few times when I found them they were not really good. They were soft and mushy inside, and it was never coming out. So I've learned how to do it with just the Persian cucumbers. Let's see our pickles. Some of the pickles, if I can. There it is. There you go. Let's cut that pickle. It looks so good. Prep our lovely tenderloin. So first of all, try to cut it off as much fat as you can. Now we're going to cut in the slices. And this is how thick slices I want you to have. Now we're going to grab this kind of tenderizer. It's really nice and sharp. And we don't need to put too much of the pressure because that meat is very soft, so just a little bit. So for the meat we're going to need salt and the pepper, nothing else. Show you my new kitchen range. This is the first time I'm going to be cooking, so let's see how it is done with this new one. Alright, so Make sure your pan is not just a thick pan, but a pan that you can have like a gravy sauce in it, because we are going to use we're going to have some gravy with our meat. Alright, let's turn it on like a medium heat. Add some oil into the pan. I'm going to use all-purpose flour right now. When the pan is get nice and warm, we're going to take our meat, we're going to mix it in our flour, and then we're going to fry it in this pan, one by one. Number one thing, do not crowd the meat into this pan, because you want to have it nice and crispy for the beginning, and then we're going to use the pan more and more. We're going to be putting that meat on the side. I will show you step by step what I'm going to do, and then we're going to put it together. We're going to add some water and some spices extra, and we're going to slowly cook it until the meat is nice, tender, and very soft. And putting it here. Okay, we're going to fry them one by one. Flip this on the other side. We're going to add onions. We're going to add some garlic. Now, to all of that, we are going to add our fried pork chops. Let's add water, the allspices, bay leaf. Oh, my favorite spice, licorice. Not too much, just a pinch. Alright guys, so let's see. I need to try if I need to add salt or pepper to it or any other spices. Oh my god. More pepper. Let's leave it simmering, covered for a few more minutes, or until the meat is basically breaking apart. It's all ready, so I'm going to add some potatoes. Perfect mashed potatoes. Have a deal. Add our pickle, the lovely meat with the gravy. It is so nice and tender. Look at that. Yeah, I can basically put that in here and pick it up easily. Cannot wait to dig in. Oh my god, it is so soft, that meat. You don't need even knife. Okay, a little bit of the potatoes. Oh my god. Oh my god. And this amazing homemade pickle. The meat, it's still juicy and soft and tender. You have to do it. This is the best. This is the best ever meat. Leave me a comment if you do love a Polish kitchen. What do you think about my kitchen? Hopefully my kitchen is going to visit your home and you're going to love it as I do and my family love it. Subscribe, press the like button, and I will see you in the next video.